Cookware selection can be a difficult challenge in any kitchen. That is why you must narrow everything down to compare cookware brands more easily. Like Circulon and Calphalon, these are both excellent brands, but which one should you buy? This video will focus on the difference between Circulon and Calphalon to help you decide which brand of cookware to get. The Calphalon Cookware Sets. Calphalon Classic Cookware Set is equivalent to the ultimate solution for convenient cooking. This classic cookware set is an excellent fusion of classic and modern design. This non-stick cookware is made from hard anodized aluminum and has all the convenient measuring marks, glass lids, pour spouts, and handles which remain at a cool temperature while you cook. You can experience perfect chef-style cooking with no scratches, no corrosion, no food sticking and burning, and easy food release at all times. These pots and pans are highly durable and long-lasting. The special feature of this product which makes it stand out from the rest is that it has no boil over the insert, which ensures that there are no messy spills where you boil pasta, rice, beans, and potatoes. This cookware is compatible with most stovetops, including broilers and ovens. It can tolerate heat up to 450 Fahrenheit without chipping and cracking. The Circulon Cookware Sets. Circulon ensures that they are working smart in the kitchen rather than working hard with its anodized non-stick cookware set. These pots and pans are 100% toxic-free, no PFOA, no lead, no cadmium, and no Teflon. It is made from hard anodized aluminum, which enhances extended durability and also ensures that the heat is distributed evenly. This allows you to cook your food perfectly with all the juices, flavors, and moisture intact in the meal. This cookware set has triple-layer non-stick coating on the surface, which is seldom found on other brands. Their pans have a ring of circles around them, due to which they remain scratch-free all their life. With this cookware set, there's no more food sticking, unwanted burning, offering you professional cooking results. The set of pans and pots is suitable for cooking on all types of cooktops, including oven and grills. It can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We have listed the comparison between Calphalon and Circulon and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to both the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Design and construction. Both of these brands are designed ergonomically so they are user-friendly and convenient. If you're looking for an elegant look, then Calphalon is the one for you, as it has the black coat finish while Circulon has a more tulip shape and comes in dark gray color, which can upgrade the look of your kitchen. Both these brands are constructed from hard anodized aluminum, which is highly durable and also gives even distribution of heat. Circulon's triple-layered non-stick coating, which is based on the PTFE and is also PFOA-free, while Calphalon also has a triple-layered non-stick coating. The handles of Circulon are dual-riveted with silicone grip for added comfort, while Calphalon offers simple, stay-cool stainless steel handles. Material and durability. Both of these brands have cookware sets made from hard anodized aluminum and non-stick coating. The presence of this material ensures the high durability of the product, and you shouldn't worry about replacing them anytime soon. Circulon has a hard anodized exterior and sturdy construction with a stick-resistant surface. The metal exterior is non-reactive so it won't leach on the food, making it safe and healthier to eat. The non-stick coating of the Calphalon is highly durable and won't erode easily. It has stainless steel handles, which is oven safe. It is recommended to cook at low to medium temperatures as the cookware can get very hot. Circulon also offers stainless steel handles with silicone covers that protect users from excess heat. Performance. Circulon pots and pans can tolerate heat from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is slightly lower as compared to Calphalon, which has a heat resistance of 450 Fahrenheit. Higher heat than this makes the cookware susceptible to damage in the aluminum coating. Circulon offers scratch-free products as it has erased surface in the form of circles, while Calphalon cookware is more susceptible to scratches. The no boil over the features of Calphalon cookware gives it an added advantage over the Circulon brand in terms of performance. The presence of hard anodized aluminum in both these brands ensure even distribution of heat, even while cooking at high temperatures. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning and maintenance is something to focus on while choosing a cookware brand that you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen scrubbing. Both of these brands have products that are dishwasher safe, but it is highly recommended to wash it by hand, which reduces the cleaning time significantly. However, as Circulon has raised circles, it makes it a little harder to clean as compared to the Calphalon. It is also recommended to soak Calphalon cookware in warm water first before popping it in the dishwasher to ensure that there isn't any oil or food sticking to it. Calphalon non-stick surface is very easy to clean and wash. As it is dishwasher safe, you can pop it in the dishwasher and you're good to go. Cooktop compatibility and versatility. The compatibility and versatility of cookware largely depend on the material used for its construction. Flat-bottom cookware is highly recommended to prevent any damages to the cooktops. Circulon cookware is suitable to work on all cooktops such as electric, gas stoves, and glass ceramic stovetops except induction, so is the Calphalon cookware. Both of these brands offer great versatility as you can cook different dishes with the utmost ease. Calphalon has a BPA-free silicone insert that recirculates the boiling water back into the pot and makes boiling rice, pasta, beans, and potatoes a hassle-free job. Circulon is also incredibly versatile, but when compared to Calphalon, it falls short on this aspect. Value for money. Value for money is the amount of money a product is priced at, which is highly reliable on the material and performance of the cookware. Both of these brands have products with innovative designs and are feature-rich. Calphalon is priced slightly higher than the Circulon cookware set, but the former has some advanced features which the latter doesn't. The innovative design and the high-quality material used in the Circulon attracts the most, which make it a better value for money option. Both of these brands are highly durable with sturdy construction, so the decision of the price range is ultimately yours. Conclusion. Both Calphalon and Circulon sell high-quality cookware that lasts for a long time. As a result, neither option is a bad one. The primary distinction between Circulon and Calphalon is that Circulon only sells non-stick cookware. This non-stick cookware has a circular pattern to optimize food release and durability. Non-stick and stainless steel cooking surfaces are offered by Calphalon, which has a more complete product line including cast iron. There are no sharp edges and their surfaces are extremely long-lasting and easy to clean. Both are excellent options and the right cookware choice comes down to your personal preferences. Let us know in the comments which cookware works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.